Hello everyone, welcome back to Elegant IC YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved these beautiful ruffles. So this is the dress I'll be working with. I'm already done making this dress. This tutorial is basically for the ruffles, so I'll be concentrating on the ruffles alone. So this is the organza I'll be making use of 4 yards of organza. So I'll be taking this to my sewing machine. I'm going to close up this rough part of the organza. After closing it up, I will turn it inside. The rough part will be inside, just like this. You won't see any rough edges this way, just like I did. Then after that, I'm going to hold this end this way, just like as I'm doing. I'll gather it up this way. Just gather this mouth. After gathering it up, I'm going to take my needle and thread and then secure that end like this, just like so. I'm going to sew it just like this. Then when I'm done with this, I'm going to measure 14 inches, just to what I'm doing. You can decide to do 12 inches, 15 inches, 16 inches, depending on how big you want your ruffles to come out. I'm using 14 inches because I want my ruffles to be just medium. 14 inches should do for me, so I use 14 inches. Then I'm going to also use my needle and thread to secure that place. Just do what I'm doing. I'll use my needle and thread, secure it down. Then I'm going to repeat this, till I've gotten my desired ruffles. So I will do this repeatedly till I've gotten what I want, the number of ruffles I need. Then I will now come back to show you how I fix it on my dress. So we are done. I've gotten my desired ruffles. So this is what it looks like. So now I'll be placing it on my fabric. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be marking 3 inches apart. Just the one I'm doing. I'll mark 3 inches. This way I'll be placing on my ruffles. You can make yours 5 inches, make yours 1 inches, or 2 inches, depending on what you want to achieve. For this, I'm spacing it out by 3 inches, just this way. Then when I'm done, I'm going to take this end this way, like this, and I'm going to place it on top, and then I'm going to sew. Then I'm going to cut this out. When I'm done doing this, now I'm going to carry this other ruffle, this end, just like I'm doing. I'm going to place it this way at that my other 3 inches, that 3 inches mark I made. I'm going to take this end this way and place it. and then I'm going to secure it with my needle and thread like this. I'm going to repeat this process. Make sure that you're placing each ruffle at the 3 inches mark. Okay, so this last part of the ruffle, so I'm going to take it this way. I'm going to make sure it doesn't show, so I'm going to just watch carefully how I'm going to place this. I'm going to take this end and I'll fold it inside, not outside, inside like this. Then I'll sew. Okay, so after I'm done, I decided to open my up this way. This is optional, you can decide to leave yours, but I decided to just open my up. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do so. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. And then when you're done with this, you can now use your hand to, then I'm done with it. So what I'll do now, I'll use my hand to open it up like this. You can decide to leave yours, but I'm using my hand to open up just the way I'm doing. This will help to give it a fuller look. Okay, I'm going to repeat this process. When I'm done with this, that's it, and our ruffle is done. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.